Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to upload materials to a Zoom meeting. This is incredibly useful when you need to share documents, presentations, or any files with participants during your meeting without interrupting the flow of your discussion. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your Zoom app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to join a meeting where you want to share these materials. Go ahead and join the meeting you're planning to attend or host. Now that you're in the meeting, direct your attention to the bottom toolbar of your Zoom window. This is where all your main meeting controls are located. Look for the button labeled Chat and click on it. This opens up your communication hub within the meeting, allowing you to send messages and, more importantly, for our purposes today, share files with other participants. Once you click on Chat, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Here, you'll need to decide who you want to send your materials to. You have a couple of options. You can select everyone from the drop-down menu if you want all participants to receive the file, or you can click on New Chat and then select a specific recipient's name if you only want certain people to have access to what you're sharing. This flexibility is great for managing sensitive information or targeting specific team members. With your recipient selected, it's time to upload your file. In that same chat panel, look at the bottom toolbar and you'll see a button labeled File. Click on this button and the file browser window will pop up on your screen. Navigate through your computer's folders to locate the exact file you want to upload. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it, then click Open. This action attaches the file to your chat message, preparing it for sending. The final step is simple but essential. You'll notice a blue button that says Enter to send. Click this button to complete the upload and share your material with the selected participants. The file will now be available in the chat for them to download and view. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded materials to your Zoom meeting, making collaboration and information sharing seamless during your virtual sessions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.